Nature's rhythm is changing drastically at the moment. Um, the pace of 2026 is completely different as that of 2025, and with that you might notice that what you need to remain regulated is completely different from what you needed in 2025. So you might be experiencing right now that you're like, oh, this always used to work for me, to remain regulated, to take care of your nervous system, and now it's off. So don't be alarmed. It's natural that your whole system needs to adapt to this completely new pace, these new elements that are influencing us right now. So give yourself time to get used to this newness, this fastness, because we're going fast, you guys. It's a very volatile energy, and figure out what 2026 needs for you in order to remain regulated, to remain centered and peaceful, so to say. We are going either way through tremendous changes at the moment. So it is a very chaotic time, but often chaos is a precursor of regeneration. So if you might be feeling you're going through some pretty chaotic, volatile times, know that this is for you and not against you. This is helping you to regenerate what needs to renew itself. Much love.